We now have a Jeep and an engine and another engine and a Massif.
Tell them what's up about the YJ. Supposedly it has a spun bearing. Supposedly it's a stroker motor. Plans as of right now, not sure. Maybe take it out, rebuild this one, or throw in another 4-liter we got laying around. But just to start it up so you guys can hear it. And obviously it has a bad exhaust leak. This has to come out because we're not going to be able to get the hoist on there to pull it out with that on there. I have the factory shorty bumper. We can put that on with the Stinger, or just put the damn Stinger and take this off. There's just too much happening. Huh?
Step 1, remove ugly bumper, complete.
Check.
I like that.
I think they did rebuild the engine. Put money and time into it, but they must have cut corners somewhere. You got revved a little too high, threw a rod. Or well, not throw a rod, spun a bearing. I don't know. Not sure. Only one way to find out. We got the motor out. It is definitely a rebuilt motor. I don't know how many miles it has on it. The clutch is brand new. If any of you guys know what the letters on the side of the block mean, this has DC, BC. I notice all these 4-liters have something. If you look at this one, well, this one did have something. Where was it? On the other side? No. Anyway, I know the other 4-liter I had something too. If anybody knows about it, comment. It looks pretty good. One of the freeze plugs is leaking. We're gonna set this engine aside for a different project. We're gonna take it apart, find out if it's a stroker or not. For this guy, we're gonna go through this. I got a fresh seal kit for it. Throw some freeze plugs. Take the header off of that guy. Put it on here. Put on a new water pump, possibly a new alternator, and slap it in there. Get the damn thing going. Hopefully, be wheeling soon. I'm making it. We're not gonna wheel anytime soon. Do you see what happened? This is a disaster.
It's not a disaster. It's fun.
Yes.